Interactive product demos fit into one of these three categories. I'm going to run you through each of them so that if you're considering one for your SaaS company, you'll know where you should spend your time in order to get the most impact. So I want to start off with the most specific and granular type of demo that you can create, and that is a use case deep dive. This is where you're demonstrating a particular workflow that you know a prospect might have a challenge with, and you're looking to demonstrate how your SaaS platform solves for that specific problem. The next layer that I want to talk about is a feature overview. Feature overviews are really helpful for pay-per-click landing pages, or perhaps a situation where you want to demonstrate individual features. So it could be a product page, or it could be some kind of demo center where you're demonstrating how your app functions in a lot more detail than you would get out of a walkthrough video, for instance. So in this situation, you still want to aim for a fairly punchy demonstration. 12 to 16 steps is what I would recommend as the maximum. And you can actually use those demos in a lot of different scenarios and really build out a bit of a gallery for your sales team to use and for your marketing team to use in different circumstances. The final layer to this hierarchy, which is where most of our users will actually begin their journey with interactive product demos, is with a platform overview. And that's because it probably has the most analogies to things that you've produced in the past. So that could be a demo walkthrough video, for instance, but you're looking for something a little bit more engaging that actually gets them into the application. That's exactly what interactive product demos are designed for. Most people will use these types of platform overviews in a situation like, for example, an embed in their homepage, or it could be an embed in a specific landing page that they want to have for that interactive product demo to track ROI and engagement. So in this sort of situation, you're still aiming for that 12 to 16 step demonstration, but what you probably want to do before you start preparing it is just pull together a list of all of the key features that you think show off your application's value proposition most effectively. And you want to essentially construct a demonstration that jumps between those features and shows the application in action while simultaneously giving an explanation of the value proposition as they walk through it, so that they can connect value proposition with the actual thing in use. Hopefully this was a helpful overview of interactive product demos and the interactive demo hierarchy. My name's Tom. I'm the co-founder of HowD'Go. We deliver interactive product demos for B2B SaaS companies. If you have any interest, or if you'd just like to leave a comment on this video, I would absolutely appreciate it. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.